As we move into the fourth week of regional uncertainty, we're starting to see clear early trends emerge across the residential market. Since the start of March, overall new lead volumes have steadily increased by approximately 20% week on week. While activity of course remains below the level seen this time last year, it is clear that momentum is building and that trend is consistent. The more notable shift is in the composition of that demand. Seller inquiries are up around 25% year on year, while landlord inquiries have increased by 22%. This points to more supply building, which typically leads to a more price-sensitive market. When we look at new listings, circa 67% are rental compared to around 33% for sales, showing that rental stock continues to dominate. The emergence of accidental landlords will now be contributing to this number, with some sellers deciding to hold and lease their property instead of trying to sell. The most encouraging trend though for me is that demand on the buyer's side is still very clearly there, but their approach to buying is definitely evolving, as one would expect. Decisions are taking longer, with buyers wanting to see more properties, being more sensitive to asking prices before committing to a viewing, and more considered when offering, which is naturally slowing the pace of transactions. There is still unquestionably a market for sellers and landlords, but they must be sensible with their asking price, flexible with their terms, and very selective with who they entrust their property with in the face of more supply and continued uncertainty. For buyers and tenants, keep in mind the strong long-term fundamentals of this market. Remind yourself of your medium to long-term objectives, use a reputable firm to help you navigate your journey, and remember that this too shall pass, and that this might just be the opportunity to transact that you have been waiting for. Join our live Dubai property market webinar for data-led insights, emerging trends, what it means for you, and a live Q&A. If you want a clear perspective on the market today, reserve your spot now.